This is Gab with DS Diving. It is August 6th, 2026, here at, maybe August 7th, I don't know, here at, Willows Bay Marina. Just getting the hull clean video for All In. Let's take a